We don't know. I don't know if this is going to be epic.
So we are hiding one Nerf gun.
I remember what it is.
And so we're supposed to hide him, and we can only know where it is. So we have to go to their spot and collect him, and we get to hide down here somewhere. And we each get if you get shot 3 times,
You're dead. You're out of the game. Somebody has to win.
And so it might be me.
Because I'm the bestest woman ever.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
1,
No,
2,
wait.
2.
Wait, we're going to count down in 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It started.
Man, that's so fast.
Oh, shoot.
All right, what do you want to say about it? You're done.
We're not done.
That was okay.
That was a fun video.
I thought it was really long. Mom, why did you not make it long? Make it even longer.
Your brother shot you 3 times really fast.
Oh! Oh shoot! You don't make me epic, because you know I'm going to make you epic.
That makes no sense.
Okay.
We hope you subscribe to our channel and leave a like. And comment which video next we should do.
You should cheer. Which one?